Hi, I'm Sue Grant from Berthon, and we thought you might just like to see this short sequence of the Dixon 65 LIARA crossing from Genoa to Tunisia in order to renew her TA arrangement. Taken by a delivery crew, they put her through her paces, and you can see how she performs at sea and how comfortable she is and immensely suitable for bluewater cruising. We recommend her. She's a great yacht.
So this is us leaving Genoa. Stern line's gone. Bow line's going. And we're going. That's it, fenders coming in. So there's no wind, so it looks like a motoring start to the journey down to Tunisia. So it's a very calm start to the voyage. There's Genoa in the background, a little bit misty over the hills, and of course we're motoring along. Well, it's a grey old day, but we are sailing at 7 knots, just Straits of Bonifacio over there. I can't see them, but they're over there somewhere. And we've got full main, full Genoa, about 8 knots of breeze and about 7 knots of boat speed. So all going pretty well. Nice calm seas. A little bit boisterous today, 20 knots of breeze just south of Sardinia heading to Tunisia. Now from the comfort of the cockpit, mostly nice and dry in here. Been 10 knots during the last hour, 10 miles, so making great progress. Autopilot's driving, doing a good job. So the wind's down a bit to 15 knots, just as we're approaching sunset. Tunisia and heading towards Genoa again. The reef main, 20 knots of wind, and sailing about northeast. 5 knots speed over ground. Weather's still not great. We do have a little bit of sunshine breaking through. So today is a very different day. Lighter winds, no clouds. first sign of the sun we've seen for a few days. Well, we've got a very calm morning, ever such a slight breeze, but nothing much to sail by. So we're just coming out of the night watch, and there's sunrise. And in true Mediterranean style, 2 hours later we've got 11 knots of wind and sailing really nicely across the Straits of Bonifacio.